You just started keto and everyone is telling you to supplement with electrolytes, but what are electrolytes anyway? In this video, we will go over what electrolytes are and how you can make them yourself. We were used to hearing of sports drinks way before keto even became popular. But at the end of the day, sports drinks were just electrolytes to aid the athletes with the electrolytes they were losing from high-intensity training or running when they were sweating. But why are they important on keto? Well, when you first start on the ketogenic diet, you start losing a lot of water weight that was once absolutely necessary in order to store the carbohydrates. Along with the water weight that we are going to lose initially, we also lose a lot of our electrolytes, causing an electrolyte imbalance, which is one of the main triggers of the dreaded keto flu. But who am I anyway? Well, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Talita from Shrinking with Keto, and throughout my ketogenic journey, I have lost over 190 pounds and reversed my type 2 diabetes. Unfortunately, I was one of those people that did not know what electrolytes were when I began, and my body seriously suffered from the keto flu. Electrolytes are ionic minerals that have a positive and a negative electric charge. Yes, they give us electricity, energy. You can put it any way you want, but basically electrolytes help us with energy. Sodium is necessary for blood pressure regulation, muscle contraction, and nerve impulses. While potassium helps with muscles and nerves, it also helps regulate the heartbeat. It is the lack of potassium that is, more often than not, responsible for the famous heart palpitations when first starting out on keto. Potassium is also needed to lower insulin levels, while chloride is responsible for keeping your fluids in balance. Even though there are foods that can help us, such as avocados and spinach, which are high in potassium, and adding extra salt for sodium, people seem to still have an electrolyte imbalance. So how can you replenish your lost electrolytes? Firstly, there are sports drinks, as we mentioned before, but I strictly do not advise them because they are very high in sugars and sweeteners. There's also plenty of electrolyte supplements on the market, and most of them are keto friendly. Just be sure that you read the label and there's no added sugar to it. You can also find supplements sold separately for your electrolyte imbalance, such as potassium, if you want to add some extra. There are also plenty of keto-friendly electrolyte powders that you can mix with your water or your smoothie that come in a variety of different flavors, such as watermelon, strawberry, lemon, you name it. The cheapest way to replenish your electrolytes is to do it yourself. But first, let me interrupt you for a second. If this is the first time you're seeing this pretty face, let's make sure it's not the last. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and ring that bell icon so that YouTube can let you know every time I make a new video for you. And please feel free to ask me anything you want down in the comment section below, and I will try my best to answer every single one of your questions. So let's dive directly into my favorite electrolyte drink, one that you can make at home right now. In a glass of water or sparkling water, whichever your preference is, I would like you to add 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, the one with the mother, absolutely. It's the one that when you look at it, it looks foggy and not clear. 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, which is perfect for magnesium and potassium. And if you want to add some sweetness to your drink, well, all you have to do is add some of your keto-approved sweetener. And there you have your perfect keto electrolyte drink made at home. Another perfect electrolyte drink is coconut water, pure coconut water. Just that gives you 5 out of the 7 main electrolytes your body needs. Coconut water has also antibacterial properties like lauric acid and tannin. Now, if you want to combine the two, meaning if you want to take coconut water as your base for the first mix that I told you, then you will definitely have a very strong electrolyte mix. Be very careful to drink 1 glass of coconut water, as the calories can add up fairly quickly. So there you have it, what electrolytes are and how you can make them by yourself. And as always, chin up, or the crown slips.